Sawa. Wacha usumbua nawe Liza. Nini? Una rekodi huko na mimi na rekodi.
Nataka nisaidie.
Shikanisha mambo pole pole niendelee. Hello guys, how are you today? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you come from or your local time. Welcome to my YouTube channel today as I take you through my today's daily routine. So I want to clean this place so that I can use it to add some pesticide to maize grains to preserve them from insects. Yeah, come with me. So today we are doing that.
Baba, nataka nikusaidie.
Kama unisaidie. Nenda uchote maji usilete. Tu hapa juu. Hivyo. Ona focus kamera hata chini bana. Usio mtajie kuketi nao. Chukua kiboko yako ile. Enda uweke huko kwa room. Beba zote. Lete chota ulete. So I want to clean somewhere here. You can see it is not, this portion is not clean enough. But the other side looks good. Yeah, okay. Na hivyo Eliza, usilete ingine. So today, as you can see, is a very sunny day. It's a sunny day. Yeah, it's middle hot right now. So we are working on a sunny day, which is good. And as you can see, the portions I have cleaned, they have started to dry, which means is hot over here. Yeah, so I'm done with the cleaning. Cheka hii kifagio pale. Peleka hiyo huko kwa tanki. Peleka chapi. Peleka hiyo huko. So I have to use these rags to make it dry, to make the surface dry faster. So that way the surface is going to dry a bit faster. So we are proceeding on. So if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, comment, like and share. Yeah, so we give the service a bit of some few minutes for us to dry fully, and then we can bring our grains here. We are avoiding moisture because if the grains come into contact with the moisture, they will start germinating, and that's not our aim. So we are going on. So ambieni watu wa subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe to his channel.
Wasalimie.
Hi guys.
This channel, our channel.
Our channel.
Our YouTube channel. Aya, anza.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
No, unaanza na salamu bwana.
Hi guys. Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Aya, na wewe.
Hi guys. Subscribe to our new channel.
Subscribe.
Subscribe to our
Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Subscribe to our YouTube.
Usiongee unafanya hivi. I'm telling her to like to stop shying away. Aya, anza.
Hey guys, subscribe to our channel.
Aya, good. So we are proceeding on. So as you can see, the service is toka hapo wache kuweka mchanga. The service is 90% dry. So we are almost done. So after I'm done with that task, we are going to do another task of clearing this place. We are going to clear all this. We want to plant some cowpeas here for vegetables. So we are going to clear all this mess, yeah, so that we can plant and be irrigating them, and then thereafter have cowpeas vegetables, because they are very, very sweet. They are very delicacy. Do we say delicacy, or we say, yeah, they are very tasty, especially when taken with the ugali. Ugali is a Swahili name for is it a maize cake or maize flour cake or something? I don't know, I'm not sure. Yeah. Acha ndakuwekea. So we are going to treat this one to avoid some insect getting in. So this maize are made for my family consumption. We can take them to machine for maize flour, or they can also be cleaned for maybe being prepared with beans for another delicacy, another African delicacy. mostly preferred in Kenya. So let's continue. Songa mbali kidogo ndio nzi. Hata pale. Usikue cameraman mbaya na. I'll put this one here. Maybe put something on top to avoid it being taken away by wind. So this is the type of pesticide I'm going to use. This one. It is called it's called ASD Super Dust DP. Yeah. That's how it looks like. So I don't know whether to put on gloves or, but this one is not harmful. There is no need of putting on the gloves. And then it looks like, this is how it looks. It's in flow. Yeah, it looks like that way. That's how it looks. So I'm going to put a bit of it. Not the whole of it, because the whole package should be put in a 90 kg sack of maize, but ours is 50 kg, so I use half of it. Then I start mixing. Yes. I mix them thoroughly. Yeah, that way. So after mixing, I can spread them a bit. Yeah, that way. Then I'm going to use this portion to treat another consumable maize grains, which has been gone through a machine. So these are the kind of insects we are trying to treat the maize against. You can see it. Yeah, those ones. I think there are some more in there. They are also drawn in this packet. They are called They are called weevils. If you can read there. Yeah, weevils. Okay, let's continue. So I bring out another type, the processed maize, so that I can treat them as well. Don't wait too much. So we are going to treat this one as well. This one is a semi-processed maize. That's how it looks like. It's used to cook some delicacy here in Kenya when mixed with either beans, cowpeas. Yeah. This one I'm going to use another method because they are not plenty. Yeah, there's a bit of it. I put a little. Yes. Then I shake. I had some more. So I'm just estimating the amount of the pesky dust that I'm having. So I add some little again. Once again I shake. Forget I add some more. again I add a little of it for the final time, and then I shake. I wait to mix well, and I'm done. So we're about to, this one I'm going to preserve it for future use. Maybe I'll use it with another package of maize. I'm going to preserve it somewhere safe, far from my kids' reach. So as far as preservation of these maize is concerned, when taking this maize to a machine for processing, they have to be washed thoroughly to avoid that kind of pesky dust. Even those ones which have been processed, before they are cooked, they have to be washed thoroughly, like 5 times or more. Yeah, for the safety of our stomachs and health. So we are proceeding on. So let's go to the next activity, which is cleaning that portion of land so that we can plant a cowpeas later. So I have to wash my hands thoroughly before I proceed to the next activity. But I'm going to take a final bath of the whole body to make sure that I'm safe. So I'm just doing it in African way, in an open tap. Maji imeenda. Our tap has been depleted. There is no more water coming out, or someone else is using the water elsewhere. Whose line is is directly connected with ours. So we abandoned that one. I try to use the water from this instead. So I'm going to finish cleaning myself with this one. Yeah, and I'm sorted out. I'm good. Kaa tu hapo.
Hi guys.
So I'm going to put on these gumboots to ensure that I'm safe, since the next activity is a bit heavy. I have to check whether there is something inside before I put them on. Yeah. Yes, that way. So let me proceed. I leave this one here. So I'm going to look for some tools to use in my store. I don't know the kind of tools I'm going to use, but I believe this one is called mattock, and then probably a shovel. This is a shovel, and then maybe a panga. This one, panga, is a Swahili name. I don't know. The English name is called what? A machete. Yeah, a machete. So I'm going to use those ones throughout the process. So let's proceed. Off we go to the next activity. Mbali eliza nawe. So naona hapa natumia tools. So I'm telling her to stay a safe distance, because I'm using sharp tools. So I'm starting by removing these water pipes, making sure that they are safe. This one too. Then I can start the process. As you can see, I'm